Hi everyone, welcome back to the DmaxStore monthly update. This is going to be your new September update, so we've got a lot of new exciting products for you this month. We've got some highly requested restocking items. We've even got a couple of shop updates for you guys to know about. So first off, we added new PowerStop brakes. We now cover the dually models for 11 to 19. So the PowerStop brakes, they have drilled and slotted rotors. They've got way more aggressive pads. So if you're looking to improve your stopping power, the PowerStop brakes are the way to go. It's the S&B lower map sensor for your 24 and 25 L5P Duramaxes. We added these. This is a really good upgrade for you guys. If you don't want your map sensor getting all full and clogged of carbon and soot, it's going to cause it to run a little bit rough and actually throw a code sometimes. We're going to go ahead and upgrade to the S&B lower map sensor spacer. It just takes it out of the direct line of flow, so it can still measure the pressure, but it's not going to get clogged with soot anymore. So it's a really good, really easy upgrade to do. We also have some new DmaxStore shirts and tank tops for the women. So this is the Powered by Freedom shirt. This is my personal favorite one. We've got a cool like desert cowboy graphic on the back, and it's a cool sand color with red and blue. So nice patriotic little Western kind of theme there. We did these for the rodeo. We are limited in sizing. We'll probably reorder these, but get yours while you can because we are running low on most of them. And then we also have added some service kits. So the 2016 to 22 GMC Canyon and Chevy Colorado guys, you know, you need to service your transmission too. So we went ahead and added the transmission service kit. So it's going to be your filter and your fluid all in one quick and easy package to get. Now we also added the PPE carbon fiber airbox lid. That's for you 3-liter Duramax guys. It's going to be for your 2020 to 25, so all the 3-liter LM2 and LZO are covered, and it's going to be not only improvement in looks but also performance. We were talking to the guys at PPE out at SEMA last year, and they were saying how much better this was at flowing over stock, even though it is a pretty much stock looking other than it being carbon fiber. So it's a really cool upgrade if you guys are looking to upgrade the looks and performance of your Duramax. We've also added the PPE 304 stainless exhaust systems. These are going to be for the 3-liter Duramax guys, and we're going to be getting one of these in the shop to put on our own truck. So we're going to test one of these out, let you guys know what the sound difference is with the DPF and all the emissions. It's probably not going to be a big sound difference, but it's going to be a huge upgrade from those HDMI ports that are on the factory bumper and going to the dual tip. So it should be a cool little cosmetic upgrade there, and we'll let you know if there is any sound difference. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be coming next month. I'm really excited about that, and Luis is super excited to upgrade his truck too. We also added a bunch of new Fusion bumpers. The pricing changed a little bit, but we did add a couple more options, more styles for those, so even more trucks are going to be covered. They give you a nice off-road look. We've had these on a handful of our trucks. Doug has this on his LBZ. It gives a really nice, beefy, aggressive look without being too over the top. All right, now let's get to a couple items that we have back in stock. So one of the hottest items that we did, we added one of those brand new FICMs to our website a few months ago, and they have been flying off the shelves like crazy. Way more than we anticipated. So we know that you guys finally have a solution, and we are determined to keep those on the shelf and ready to go for you guys. We made massive orders for these, so we have the manufacturing facility going in really hard to deliver as many as possible to us so we can stock them on the shelf all the time for you, because this is going to be the only solution for those LB7 and LLY FICM guys who have fried their board. So instead of having to look for a used, dirty, hopefully okay unit, now you have the peace of mind that DmaxStore has you covered with our brand new FICM. Now we also have back in stock Cali's cranks. We have tons and tons of these on order, but you guys are eating them up like hotcakes, so we want to make sure that we have them on the shelf ready for you, and right now we do. So if you're looking to build your Duramax motor, the Cali's crank is known for being one of the most durable and dependable crankshafts on the market at a reasonable price. So if you're not going all the way to that 1,000+ horsepower where you need billet internals and forged everything, the Cali's Durastar crankshaft is the way to go. It's economical and it's strong. It will hold up to 1,000 horsepower for sure. We have done that. We have seen it. We've tested it, and it always works. So if you're looking to upgrade your crankshaft, look no further than the Cali's Durastar crankshaft on DmaxStore.com. And then a couple shop updates. So as you guys can tell, obviously there's no boat behind me anymore, which good and bad. It's always awesome seeing the boat back there, but it's huge and it takes up so much room. But we took it out to Topaz again. You'll see a video from Eric. He was talking about that a little bit, and the testing that we did topped out about 34 miles an hour at 3,200 RPM. So the current prop and everything, no weight in the boat yet. So overall it performed really well. We put the factory turbo back on, so that definitely quieted it down way more. So now you can sit in the back and kind of still have a nice cruise around day when you're out on the lake, and it just performed a whole lot better today. So that stereo again is just next level. I cannot state that enough. It's kind of hard to get that on the audio here, but it's insane. Let me tell you, it's crazy. We went all out with the JL everything, and it looks awesome. So I'm super excited about that project. And then the truck behind me, this is our 2024 GMC Sierra flatbed. We put on some new tires. Now Toyo has a bunch of different RTs now. They have your Toyo Open Country RT, just the standard. You've got your Toyo Open Country RT Trail. That's going to be like a little bit upgraded, more aggressive all-terrain. And then you got your Toyo RT Pro, which is a brand new tire that just released a couple months ago. So I was really excited about this. It's a little bit more aggressive of an all-terrain, nice chunky tread pattern. And as you can see here, the sidewall is nice and aggressive. Looks really good on the dually, tows really well, quiet, good road manners. Toyo Open Country RT Trail and Pro are probably our two favorite tires right now. If you're looking to upgrade the tires on your Duramax, go ahead and check out those Toyos. They're really, really awesome. And finally, we've got some more new products coming down the pipeline, so stay tuned for those announcements next month. We're going to be adding some really, really key ones to our catalog here, so we're going to have some really, really good stuff that I can't quite share yet, but it'll be really cool. I'm excited to share that with you guys once we get those all in and ready to go for you. I've been working on these for a long time as well. So for you 01 to 10 guys, you're going to be really excited about what we have to offer here. So, and that's going to be it for this month's update. That's September for you. We added a bunch of new products, got stuff back in stock, so we're really excited about that. As more products come in stock, we'll be sure to post about them online and keep you guys updated. Feel free to call into our technical sales team. I mean, they really know what they're doing. They're all Duramax owners, so if you got questions, we got answers. We'll keep pushing out more parts, more installs, and try and get more videos to you guys as well, so stay tuned. Follow us at DmaxStore on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to get all this great content. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next update.